Ladies and gentlemen, Apple Resto Bar London, in cooperation with Erasmus Star Talents in Entertainment Management, proudly presents One Night Only, Bossa Nova Prince and Jazz Schooner meet the idol back to back to back in concert. Will you please welcome J.R.M., Joel Miranda, Rico Garcia, and Marvin Velasquez.
Bawat sandali aking nais mapatid ang himig ng may tunuri natin. Mapupuri pangat ko katami, di marami ang di magsasabi. Eto na inyong dinggin sa ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling atin, at sa habang buhay awitin natin. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling atin, at sa habang buhay awitin natin. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay salamat po. Good evening. Thank you so much. Nandyan ka na naman, tinutukso-tukso ang aking puso. Nahihirapan na, iniiwasan ka, di na natuto. Sulyap ng iyong mata, laging nadarama kahit malayo. Nahihirapan na, lalapit-lapit pa, di na natuto. Sanggiti mo lang at ako'y napapaham mo. Lapit mo minsan at muling
mababalik sa'yo na walang kalaban-laban. Ang puso ko'y tanging iyo lamang. Doon na naman naging ang ating puso, muling bumabalik sa iyong mga halik, di na natutuo. Simula at ako'y napapaamo. Kapit mo minsan at muling mapapalik sa'yo na walang kalaban-laban. Ang puso ko'y tanging iyo lamang. Ang puso ko'y tanging iyo di na natutuo. Di na natutuo. Di na natutuo. Di na natutuo.
Yes! Grabe!
Hello, Apple Bar. Hello, London.
Hello world, hello Philippines, hello London in Apple Resto Bar, guys.
And to all the viewers all the way
course,
from
of
the
course.
Philippines
And
Japan.
Hello to all my
Watching right now.
kababayan!
Hello po.
Welcome to Apo Restaurant and welcome to our concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to give, to make a pause for a while, just to thank each and every one of you wonderful people. You know, all the way from the Philippines, the two of us came to tandem with our the idol Joel, and we we prepared different genres of songs, especially for you. Kaya sana po magustuhan nyo at magsaya kayo ngayong gabi.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung first part namin? Wow, thank you so much.
Salamat po sa mga sponsors, sa mga kaibigan. Isa pong malaking pasalamat ang aming unang-una po kung bakit kami narito ngayon ni Marvin Velasquez ay because sa itong taong ito ang nagdala sa amin dito. Allow me guys to introduce to you the one and only the famous awardee from here, London. And siya po ang CEO ng Erasmus Stars Talents and Entertainment
And the
Management.
executive producer of our movie,
Aming
Pera
po
Puerto
producer.
Serape.
At siya po ang nagdala sa amin dito sa London para makasama kayong lahat. Mga kaibigan, give
Maestro
a big warm welcome. Maestro Erasmo
Malilin.
Malilin. Rusty Malilin over there.
And of course, I would like to acknowledge, of course, our media partner, of course, One Philippines, Sir Ray Abisamis.
Special thanks, sir. Salamat sa napaanggan na write-up. Especially yung write-up ni,
And to And
ni Rakchik, Jerry Dada. Iba ang tandem yung dalawa,
Ayun.
sir.
And also, I'd
Ray
like,
Abisamis, thank you very much, sir. One Philippines.
also, I'd like to thank our other sponsors like Mr. Jose Carrillo for Itera Care and Gyre
from Gyre
International.
International. Thank you.
Daisy M. Esquera, ladies and
Daisy
gentlemen,
M.
the lady
Esquera.
in red.
Yeah, we also have Maita L. Martin, ang ating beauty queen.
And I saw among the beautiful people, our good friends, Marcon Conlan. Yeah. Thank you
Also,
very much, brother, for coming over. Thank you.
also thank you to Hairport, ang gumawa ng buhok ko. Hairport Salon by JM.
Sana all. Parang ikaw lang. Parang, parang
And
naiba
isa
ang
pa,
beauty
ang
mo.
ating kanji, Barley, I Am by Kieran Zimmerman.
Ayun.
At syempre po, dahil dito sa lugar na ito, Apo Resto Bar, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for accommodating us. Palakpak naman tayo, guys, kasi ito yung venue for happiness and fun.
Oo, dito bawal ang hindi pumalakpak. Kailangan pumalakpak.
May
At
charge.
may padjak pa.
At
Ganon.
Pagka
Dapat
hindi-
tayo dito, open tayo. We are family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Walang
before-
hiya-hiyaan dito.
Anyway,
May,
before
may
anything,
extra charge daw ang hindi pumalakpak.
before
May extra
anything
charge.
else, guys, I would like you to know that the man that itong dalawang lalaking ito, una,
Sigurado ka ba lalaki?
siyempre. Alright. So, Rico Garcia po is tawag ng tanghalan grand finalist in Showtime sa ABS-CBN.
Yeah.
So, let's give him a round of applause.
Yeah. Eight-time defending champion ng tawag ng tanghalan.
And dubbed as the jazz crooner of the Philippines. So, eto po siya. Alright.
And the bossa nova prince of the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, no other than Marvin Velasquez. Papakilala pa ba natin to? Hindi na.
Or else, lugi kayo.
And, of course, the last but not the least, a good friend of ours who's really having a good heart, you know.
He's the brainchild of this event, ladies and gentlemen,
Yes,
our very own. The idol!
The idol Joel
Joel
Esmeralda. And also the premier balladeer of UK. And
Yeah.
of course, W Copa winner. Ayun.
Yeah. At this point, I'd like to thank all of you, lahat po ng bumili ng ticket, lahat ng nagkalat ng balita, lahat po kayong tumulong sa akin because I could have not done it on my own.
Lahat ng mga marites.
Lahat ng marites nandito. Si Kuya Vance is here, ang president ng Filmo, si Ate Gloria, ang influential woman ng komunidad ng Pilipino, and of course, my twin sister and her family, Joelisa Mabalot is also here from Nottingham, ang aking kakambal.
Alright.
Okay, so?
Yung
Alright,
kung mga
Mars.
nakalimutan namin batiin, pasensya na po, malalabo ng mga mata namin, kung di man namin kayo napansin.
Hindi, marami pa tayong time na bumati
marami
ulit.
pa.
Welcome po. Welcome po. At it is really our pleasure and privilege to perform right for you. Okay? Maestro, come on. Selections of our OPM hits. Thank you.
Guys, you can sing along with us.
Sabay po kayo sa mga kawan.
Itanong mo sa akin
Ready?
kung sino aking mahal.
Itanong
Mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman.
Everybody now.
Damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal. Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal.
pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa Hilaga o sa Timog o Kanluran, sa silangan kahit saan ka man, ang aking isisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa Hilaga o sa Timog o Kanluran, sa silangan at kahit saan pa man, ang aking isisigaw. Ang aking mahal. Patuloy kong mamahalin, maging sino ka man, di na magbabago ang pag-ibig ko, dahil minamahal kita. Walang makakapigil sa aking damdamin. Come on, babe! Sasampahin namin dahil mahal kita, at lahat ng bagay ay aking matatanggap. At dahil mahal kita, handa kong magparaya, dahil katumbas ito'y kasawian. Dahil mahal kita, sa'yo lamang iligaya, at di na muling iibig pa. Ano man ang sabihin nila, ika'y patuloy kong mamahalin, maging sino ka man, di na magbabago ang pag-ibig ko, dahil minamahal kita. Walang makakapigil sa aking damdamin, upang ikaw ang pag-ibig ko ng loob. Sasampahin namin dahil mahal kita, lahat ng bagay ay aking matatanggap. At dahil mahal kita, handa kong magparaya, kahit katumbas ito'y kasawian. Dahil mahal kita, sa'yo lamang liligaya, at di na muling iibig pa. At dahil mahal kita, handa kong magparaya, puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin, dahil sa'yo ako ligaya, pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay man ako ay alipitin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Of you, there's a joy of living, and all my love I will offer you. Lahat mong tanggapin, wala nang ibang hiling. Puso ko'y tanggapin, ikaw at ikaw rin, dahil sa'yo ako'y lumigaya, pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay man ako ay alipitin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you! Okay, our next performer
Our guest performer, ladies and gentlemen,
is none other than
the rock,
the rock chic diva
of London,
of London, Miss
Jerry
Jerry
Dada.
Dada.
Mao na gid ni karon na. Huwag may sino mga Bisaya, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to be here with you tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, hep hep, hooray naman dyan! Hep hep! Gutom pa po ba kayo? Isa pa, hep hep! Yeah, what a lovely people, what beautiful people tonight. All right, there we go. Kakanta ng Jerry Dada, ha? Before anything else, if any one of you knows that I am making my own song, i-render ko po sa inyo lahat ngayong gabi. Okay po? Not too much to take, maestro. Thank you po. Thank you po so much. It was my second song, basically. Na-touch ako doon kasi that was the time when we are, during the pandemic time that we thought, all of us, wala nang pag-asa, but there is. Alright, salamat po. So, my second song, salamat po si Rusty Malilin for the Super Diva Queen for my first song. Palakpakan po natin na Super Diva Queen po. Super Diva Queen. And then, right, I'm gonna sing the next song. Are you ready for this? Salamat po. Alright, my second song for you. I I would like to say hello to Annie Bravo. Hello po, all the way from Philippines. Hello po. I would like to say also, thank you for coming over here tonight. And it's your birthday today! Happy birthday! Yes! All right. So, for my second song, while waiting for this, for our maestro, I would like to say hello, thank you to Rhea Bisamis po sa ating One Philippines. At kung narinig nyo naman at kung nabasa nyo naman yung ads natin doon, mga kaibigan, it's fantastic to have Rhea Bisamis po ng One Philippines. Okay po? Alright, ready na po tayo? Para sa inyo, mga kaibigan. Adore you and what you serve. I'm just no one with nothing to give you but all. I love you. You are a diamond, bright, sparkling diamond. But believe me, dear, when I say, when she gives you the world, but you'll never, you love me the way I love you. Make a person sweat. Really good is my life. Funny love breaking heart. Can you make a song to say what's good is my life? Funny how I often see to think I'll never find a dream. Around and see this great and big world in front of me. In my love, this is my life. Today, tomorrow, love will come to find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. Yeah. This is me. This is me. A single soul could tell that I was lying. And so it was hard to face the friends I gave up on to. I know I made a show of them all. I've got all for you. And though I so unbelieving look on all their faces, and hard to try make them think that it was true. I know dance all through the night. It's just a gypsy. And I was so dreaming, drunk this fish till I so high. And I, who have heard the love since God knows, one enough to gypsy. Till then, believe it more than ever now. Sing everyone, come on! Tonight I'll give the greatest moments of my life. I never lost control. I played the part so well. From that single soul you tell that I was lying. But love, if you had been behind the curtain when I fell, when all the lights were out and I was alone, you could have been. Viscomedia. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is Jerry Dada. Don't forget to follow me on the YouTube, yes? Thank you, po. Now, ladies and gentlemen, who's the next? Mr. Joel Miranda! The W Copa. First Filipino, mga kaibigan. Give round of applause!
Thank you, Jerry. Is everybody still doing having a good night? Yan, nagsisimula pa lang pool tayo. So, Maestro, for everybody.
In my heyday, young girls wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw all swore they knew me once upon a star. Main attraction couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities would die to me. I've had every accolade bestowed on me, and so you see, if I'd never sing another song, it should bother me. I've had my share of fame, you know my name. If I never sing another song, or take another vow, I will get by, but I'm not sure how. Always bossing, but you love it all. Though you have to learn to act like you have it all. Everything I did, the world applauded once upon a star. Frame citation hang on every wall. Got a scrapbook full of gold, I can't recall it all. There were times I felt the world belonged to me, and so you see, if I never sing another song, it shouldn't bother me. I've had my share of fame, you know my name. If I never sing another song, oh, if I never vow, I would get by, but I'm not sure how. La 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 la.
Thank you. Did you like that song? Masyado naman kayo nakatutok na seryoso sa akin. Para naman kayo. But I like that kasi I can see na nakakonsentrate kayo, nakikinig sa akin. Yun yung maganda. Nararamdaman ko po yung inyong emosyon. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. So, my next song is a Tagalog song. I've never sing this one, but I will sing it for you. I'll take the risk. Maestro.
Sana ay pakinggan, tayo ay walang hanggan. Magpakailanman, hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong ating puso. Magpakailanman, hindi magwawakas hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Ang kalinga ko, asahan mo, kahit pa anong landas ay tatahakin ko upang di tayo magkalayo. Sana'y laging kapiling, yan ang aking dalangin. Magpakailanman, hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman. Sa tuwing kinakailangan mo, narito ako, handang dumamay sa iyong lungkot. Habang buhay ay hinding-hindi maglalaho, ang hiling natin ay awitin ko. Sana ay pakinggan, yan ang aking hanggan. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman, magpakailanman. Narito ang tinig ko, tumatawag sa'yo. Sana ay buksan ang iyong puso, ang iyong puso. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago ang sindisigaw nitong aking puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman, magpakailanman. Narito ang tinig ko, tumatawag sa'yo. Sana ay buksan ang iyong puso. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw itong aking puso. Magpakailanman, 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 magpakailanman.
How was that, guys? Grabe, no? That was my first time to sing that song, but thank the Lord, I nailed it. Did I nail it? Salamat po ulit. But anyway, I can't sing more because I've got my other friends. Pero meron pa akong dalawang set na solo songs. But, mind you, magagaling itong susunod sa akin. Teaser pa lang ako, guys. Itong dalawang susunod pa sa akin will give you a goosebumps. So let's all welcome the Bossa Nova Prince of the Philippines, Mr. Marvin Velasquez.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Since I was dubbed as the Bossa Nova Prince of the Philippines, this song is just chill lang from Kabsat Joel with his intense and competitive song. I'll be giving you just chilling. Drink, eat, and listen to the music. Maestro. The first time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all. Next time I settle for what felt so close. But we don't romance, you're never gonna fall. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I fall. First time we walk under the starry sky, was a moment when everything unclear, and I need to ask for, even wonder why, because this question is answered when you're near, and I'm wise, nothing wrong when no miracle unfolds. This is the last time I'll fall in love. Now don't hold back, just let me know. I'll be moving much too fast, always slow. So my life, I'm waiting for this day to find this once in a lifetime. This is it, I'll never ever be the same. You don't know what it's taken me to save this world, and now that I said that, you could never be enough. As far as I can see, only you and only me. This is the last time I fall in love. The last time I fall in love. The last time I fall. Agos ng alon sa mata, hilakad, naglaho sa isang ilan. Halika sa tubig dagat, langoy tayo, pagkakasado ang mundo. Dito sa tubig dagat, tayo ay magsaya, nagtoro-toro at itinit ang balakang lapito sa tiempo. Halika sa tubig dagat at tumulungan mo'y langoy tayo at kasama-sama ang mundo. Dito sa tabing dagat, tayo ay magsaya, nagtoro-toro at ikot ang balakang, ikot ang balakang, ikot ang balakang. Latino sa tiempo, Latino sa tiempo, Latino sa tiempo. Thank you so much, guys. And before anything else, here we go. Erasmo Campus Malilin, the best of the best masterpieces, orchestral arranged by the famous awardee Pipo Cifra. Orchestral po ito, it's only £5. So, to those who are interested, you can avail. This is a world-class arranged by Pipo Cifra and of course, composed by Sir Rusty Malilin. Okay. Thank you so much, Maestro. Be careful. Yan. All right. The last but not the least in a solo act, siya lang naman yung jazz crooner of the Philippines. And I really feel proud. I really feel proud na makasama ko along this journey this kind of artist who happens to be the hierarchy in the music back in the Philippines. However, he is so humble. Siya lang naman po ay 8 times defending champion sa Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime and also grand finalist and one of the best earner na nakakuha ng grado sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. I think 99.7. All right. So he was dubbed as the Just Croon of the Philippines, a good friend of mine, an Erasmus Star Talents and Entertainment Management artist, an actor in the recent Pera Cuarta Salapi musical movie. Let's give it up for Rico Garcia!
Salamat po. Thank you very much. Magandang gabi po uli sa inyo. At thank you, Mr. Marvin Velasquez, for this wonderful introduction. Allow me to say this, guys. It is my honor and privilege to be here tonight, and it is indeed my honor and privilege to sing these compositions of these great musicians. And ayun! Okay. I am so blessed, guys, to record and make an MTV just a few days ago here in London. My newest single and MTV soon to be released for download and for streaming. Composed, written, and produced by the one and only Side Projects CEO, our very own Mr. Port Malilin, ladies and gentlemen. About a big hand. Akala ko, sir, i-injanin mo ako eh. Dalawa po ito, and the other one is my first original single, written and composed and produced by our very own Erasmus star, Rusty Malilin. My first song will be very, very new because hindi pa po na-i-release at kayo pa ang unang-unang makakarinig. Maestro, please. This is the song called Original Song, produced, written, and composed by the one and only Port Malilin of Side Project Production, UK. Amen! And it is really my honor, ladies and gentlemen, to do another song composed and produced by the Malilins. And this time, this is my very first single, released right after my Tawag ng Tanghalan journey. This amazing person asked me to do this very, very beautiful love song. This is a song called You Are the Reason, penned by Erasmo Rusty Malilin. Maestro. For you, ladies and gentlemen. Sana ba sa palakpak? You are the one, the only one, my love, that I truly love. You are my sunshine every day, my love. You are my my world is so completely made every time you're near to me. You are the reason and the meaning of my life. You are the sparkle of a shining star. You are my heart's desire. You are the splendor of my eyes, my inspiration since I met you. My world is so completely made the reason that the meaning of my life. My world is so completely empty every time you're near to me. You are the reason and the meaning of my life. You are the reason and the meaning of my life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Maestro Port Malilin, for the hayaan mo na. And thank you very, very much to my godfather, our godfather, CEO of Erasmus Star Talents and Entertainment Management, Mr. Erasmo Rusty Malilin, ladies and gentlemen. That was his obra maestra. Thank you very much for... Okay. And, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to inform you that Erasmo Malilin's greatest hits in orchestra, this is a collector's item, guys, is available right now. Grab your copy, guys. Grab your copy because this is just a limited edition. This one was made and arrangement by the Filipino well-known composer and nasaan na ba ako? Ito po, made by Pipo Cipra, Aliw Awards, Awit Awards, FAMAS Awardee. Siya po ang gumawa nito. Gumastos po yata si Sir Erasmo Malilin dito ng mga 2 million just for this CD. Just for this collector's item. Just to provide for you 5 pounds only. Avail your copy now. Ladies and gentlemen, would like to welcome back the amazing Jolly T.
Grabe, kaganda ng mga boses nila. Kumain na ba lahat? Hindi ako yung main concert, pero soon to be. Nasa ano pa lang ako, amateur. Pero soon to be, 55 years old na ako, pero okay pa rin, di ba? Nakakain na lahat? Sulit ba ang 25 pounds? Ha? Hindi sulit? O, gawin natin 35 next. So, ano, para may dagdag na dessert. Ha? Me, 30 years old. Bigyan ito ng ano! Sa Tagay! Ang gagaling na nila ng mga boses nila, no? Kasi nung nagpa-ulan, tulog ako. Silang nakakatch ng mga gagandang boses. Ano, okay na kayo? Usunit na? Time check is 9:15. Alam mo, pag Sunday, hanggang alas 10, alas 11 na tayo dahil duty bukas. May trabaho. Para may padala tayo sa Pilipinas. Tumulong sa ekonomiya, ha? Lalo na mga ating mga kamag-anak, mga ano, ha? Mga pamilya. Para maging yayamanan din kagaya natin. Para maka-afford naman ng mga 25 pounds na show. Diba? Sa Pilipinas kasi medyo 500 pesos lang doon, di ba? Okay, music maestro. Para sa inyong lahat ito. Para sa misis ko. Yes, my wife is here. Helen, I love you. Bakit, no? Ay, daming sawing. Sa isang larawang kupas, silayang muli ang ating lumipas. Kung may babalik lamang nahon ang oras, hindi sana lungkot at pagsisisi ang dinaranan. Hanggang sa madaling ito, di ako nagpapago. Taglay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa tignuman litrato. Sa'yo, ewan ko, ikaw ba'y nanabuhat ng tayo nagkalayo? Nagagindi ako saya at ang tunay na pagmamahal, nakalalawa kahit kupas na. Yaman ang puso ko, makulay na yung unang buhay ko. Bumabalik tayo. Salamat sa larawang kupas. Hanggang sa muling sandali ito, di ako magbabago. Taglay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa lumang litrato. Sa'yo, ewan ko, ikaw ba'y manabuhat at tayo'y nagkalayo? Aking kamay, tayong dalawa, ay di ako saya. At ang tunay na pagmamahal, nakalalawan kahit kupas na. Sandok yaman ng puso ko, makulaya yung unang buhay ko. Bumabalik, ligayang lipas. Salamat sa larawang salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. Selamat Malt. Bakit Ilocano ka lamay Malt? May sapay. Nanay tanda. Na may sapay ka no. Yung mga nagsasabi ng more, 5 pounds po pag medyo... Ay! Bayad na? Oy, thank you ha. Sa mga dumating talaga, iba talaga Idol, Joel Miranda concert talaga. Talagang 100% talaga yan na blockbuster. Congratulations at kay Rico and sino nga ba yung isa yung pinakagwapo? Ha? Sino? Aba, kilalang kilala yung gwapo ha. Marvin, sikat ka na. Okay, magpapagift tayo. Siyempre, yamanin. Di ba? O, sinong magbibigyan natin? Top, last. Okay, Maria Giles, Andre Frias, Jai Dibetote, Paige Luis, Grace Rose, Raymond Diton, Anton Antonio, Rosel Rivera, and Yayina Diton. Sino sila? May t-shirt kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ay, kung bakit yung ano yun ha? Random yun. Random yung pagka, select. O, bigay na yan? Para gusto pa ng isa ha? Nako, dagdag talent pinato ha? Kasi medyo malaki-laki, madami-dami pa ang aking, madami-dami pa ang aking charity sa Pilipinas. Okay, music, paring paring Edwin. O, diba? Pag karaoke? Inuman na! Rak-rakan na! Ano no? Go! Diba pag inuman no? Inuman na pre! Sisiga din ako bago mag-retire. Tumalon kaya ako sa pangin para lang iyong sagipin. Ito ang tanging paraan para mayakap ka. Kaya, come on! O, diba? Pati ba yung bato? Nako, hindi mo naman iba na naman, hindi mo na naibato, ha? Okay. Next, ladies and gentlemen, pagbabalik ng this time, kanina, 15 pesos sa'yo, 15 pounds. Ito ngayon, plus 10 pounds equals 25 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The El Divo Pinoy version. Ayan.
Sa gitna ka na lang. So, check. Hello. So far po, nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Thank you so much po.
Sandali, isang mas malakas na sigaw nga dyan. Isa pa. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome po sa second part, sa aming second stage.
Ayun, may ano. Yung mga babae ba? Sumigay ba mga babae? Sigaw! Mga babae po. Yeah.
Okay.
How about mga lalaki?
Sige, para malinaw ganito.
Sige.
Pumalakpak na may sigawan ang lahat ng magaganda.
Ay, ba't tahimik yung ibang babae?
Parang
Sumigaw ang mas maganda.
Tama, meron naman pala eh. Okay, sa mga keras naman, sumigaw ng malakas. Huwag kayong papatalo mga guys. Ang mga macho, guwapito at mga guwapo dito sa Apo Bar.
Talagang dinominate ng babae dito ngayong gabi. O shy lang yung mga lalaking sumigaw?
Hindi, yung mga hindi sumigaw, hindi kasama doon sa mga guwapo yun. Sigurado ko. Ladies and gentlemen, ito po ay special part of the show na ihanda namin para sa inyo. At sana po ay magustuhan nyo lahat. Pakilakas ng konti ang aking mic. Hello, sound check. Perfect.
Okay.
Are you ready, guys?
Deep breath.
This is for you.
Someday, somewhere, we'll find a way
of forgiving.
We'll find a way of forgiving.
Somewhere, there's a place for us. Somewhere, a place for us. Peace and quiet and open air. Wait for us somewhere.
A time for us. Someday, a time for us. Time together with time to spare. Time to learn. Time to care. Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living. We'll find a way of forgiving.
Somehow, someday, Gracias. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This coming up song is exclusively dedicated to all the women in the house. This
all
song, all the women, all the women, all our super women, our especially our mothers, ladies and gentlemen. This song is inspired and made because of our love to our mother.
Para po sa
Our-
lahat ng mga ina,
Yes.
mama, nanay, sa buong mundo, this song, and to all the women out there, this song is
Is for-
wholeheartedly dedicated to,
To all of you.
Maestro.
Mama, thank you for being. Thank you for all the things I love. Forgive me for the words I said, for the time I forgot. Mama, remember all my life. You showed me love, you sacrificed. Think of those young and early days, how I've changed along the way, along the way. And I know you believe, and I know you had dreams, and I'm sorry it took all this time to see where I am, because of your truth, and I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you. Mama, forgive the times you cried. Forgive me for not making right. All of the storms I may have caused, and I've been wrong. Dry your eyes, dry your eyes.
And I know you believe, and I know you have dreams, and I'm sorry it took all this time to see where I am, because of your truth, and I miss you.
I miss you.
Remember I hope this makes you smile. I hope you're happy with my life. I'm pleased with every choice I've made. How I've changed along the way.
Along the way.
And I thought of my dreams.
Salamat po
Thank you.
for all the wonderful mothers all around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Spanish version of the hit song Unbreak My Heart. Isa mo na po ulit palakpakan dyan para mabuhay. Sayaw kayo!
Sayaw ka.
No me abandones así, hablando solo de ti. Ven a verme la fe, la sonrisa que se fue. Una vez más, tocar tu cara, al fondo suspirar. Recuperos lejos he partido, regresa a mí, quiéreme otra vez, por el dolor que leerte me dio cuando te separaste de mí, dime que sí, yo no quiero llorar. La tuya también. Quiero que vengas a mí y me vuelvas a poder.
No puede más. Si tú no estás, tienes que llegar. Mi vida se apaga sin ti a mi lado.
Regresa a mí. Quiéreme otra vez, por el dolor que me dio cuando te separaste de mí. Dime que sí, yo no quiero llorar. Regresa a mí. Así, hablando solo de ti.
Revuélveme la pasión de tus brazos.
Regresa a mí, quiéreme otra vez, por el dolor que a mí me dio cuando te separaste de mí. Dime que sí, yo no quiero llorar, por el dolor que a mí me dio cuando te separaste de mí. Dime que sí. Dime que sí.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Regresa me, meaning remember me or don't forget me.
May na-inlove ba?
Ano yun? Parang
Tip yan.
parang may paipit doon.
Nagsisimula na mag-tip.
Actually, wag po kayong mahiya. Kung feel nyo mag-tip. Buong puso po lang tatanggapin yan. Okay. Our next song.
My love, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you your love? I need your love. That's me. Your love to me. Rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. With the sun, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for
Thank you po. Thank you very much. Woo!
All right, so
Let's get
just to break the ice, guys,
Yes.
because of the intense El Divo version of the JRM. So far, did you guys liking the music that we are serving you right now? Nagugustuhan nyo po ba yung music na binibigay po namin sa inyo so far? Ayun.
Thank you.
Ayun. So, okay. So, without further ado, guys, I'll bringing you back the Rock Chick of London, of course.
Yeah, Jerry Dada as we change and prepare for our next set.
Yes, definitely. So, let's give it up for
Jerry Dada.
Jerry Dada.
Alright po, dito ako ha. Ay, nako! Palakpakan niyo po ulit yung ating Pinoy El Divo. Right? Ito po yung first Pinoy El Divo po ng London. All the way from the Philippines. Okay po, diba? Ang saya, ang ganda-ganda. Do you agree that, mga kaibigan? Agree po ba kayo? Yes. Okay. Life is so short to get that stress. Alright? Okay. Meron akong kanta na i-dedicate ko to all of you na request po ito, Victims of Love. Right? Lahat ng mga biktima sa gugma. Right? Alright, ito na. Para sa'yo yan. Palakpakan nyo naman dyan!
Together, our souls have been together. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. Was feeling sad that this could never happen to us. How long will it be? 'Cause baby, so easy, it used to be so good. We had an understanding that got misunderstood. But we were survivors and we'll never go down. But now we're just outsiders and the lost tumbling down. Sing it! Faces of love are broken down the path. Just sad to see the debris that's scattered everywhere. Faces of love, still we cannot believe what a victims of love we cannot redeem. Maybe we played a bit too short and everything was hearts of roses. But they said when they closed the door and we were just standing and we realized the ending was so near. Where do we go from here? Victims of love are broken down the fear. Such to see the debris scattered everywhere. Sing it on! Victims of love, still cannot believe what a victims of love. Victims of love. Victims of love. We cannot redeem. Woo! Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Sino sunod? May sunod ano? Oh, meron ba kayo isa pang request while they are changing whatever? All right. All right, let's go, Jins. I was petrified. Kept thinking now, could never leave without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking now you did me wrong. But I grow strong. Come on. And I've learned how to get along. I saw you back from outer space. Just walking through my appearance. I saw your face.
I should change it to the look. Should make it to the key. I'll head on for just 1 second. Go back to bottom B. Go now, go. No control. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Don't you the one who tried to hurt me when you buy the fake and humble. You're afraid I'll take out to the lie. Oh no, that I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my luck, I've got all my luck, yeah. I will survive. I will survive. Hey, 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 come on, let's dance, everyone. Woo! Shake, shake, shake. Come on, come on, everyone, let's put your hand on the air. And run for me. Woo! Now you keep me moving when I'm running. Take a bounce, take a bounce, take a bounce, take a bounce. Woo! Come to bounce, take a bounce, moving. Woo! Gonna move on. You're gonna move on, yeah. You're gonna move on. 1, 2, 3, go, come on. Shake, 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 shake. Want to take me to Funky Town. 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 Woo! Shake, 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 shake. Come on, everyone, let's shake! Woo! All right, let's put your hand on the air. 1, 2, 3, go! Lesson for love. Yes, it's my lesson for romance tonight. Woo! Oh, I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, to scold me, 'cause while I'm there, I don't know. The last day,
a little while. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Alapia, Cornels, Alapia!
Walang iba pagsasarap sa pag
ako'y tiwala sa iyo. Pagkat hindi ako'y amot ang gusto ko, ituloy mo. Kasingit oh, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Keep on dancing, DJ, non-stop music, come on. Roll!